Hi guys and welcome back. This is the reading for birth number 1. So if you're born on the 1st, 10th, 19th or 28th of any month, this is the reading for you for the month of March. So we're going to start with the oracle card first. So the first card that I have for you is you and your loved ones are safe, new moon in Cancer. So Cancer sign is all about your emotions. It's all about your comfort. It's all about being in a happy place, surrounded by people that you love. So moving forward, I think March for birth number 1 is going to be something where you feel closer to somebody that you want to feel that emotional connect with. So if in your relationships or if in life in general has been giving you some sort of distance from your people, from the people you love, well, March is going to bring you good news in a sense that you will know that that despite the lack of communication with your person, things are going pretty well, things are going pretty good. See, even the next card that came up is number 41. So number 5, belonging, which tells the same story again, that you are going to be feeling very close to your people. So considering how these cards are, so you have Cancer here, and then you have the oracle card of belonging here. So it seems like the month of March is going to be all about your personal relationships. A lot of focus is going to be on maintaining or improving your personal relationships, feeling at peace emotionally within yourself in terms of what is going on or how things are going. Let's see, from the tarot, what would be the theme for the month of March for birth number 1. So the first card that I have for you is Nine of Wands. See, Nine of Wands again tells about the same story. So whether it's in life, whether it's in your career, your professional life, or your love life, it's like you had to take a walk. Something changed and you felt like you were alone, and just like the card, you were walking alone in this gloomy rainy weather, trying to find out your own purpose. And you just feel very lost, you feel very alone. You feel like there are a lot of battles that you have to cross all by yourself, and you have no support. But that is exactly what the universe is trying to tell you. With Cancer sign and with belonging card showing up, it's telling you that there is support, there is love, and there is everything. Even at the bottom of the deck, you have the Two of Wheels, which means you are trying to manage a lot of things at the same time. Maybe you're managing two jobs, maybe in relationships you have to manage two parties. So that's the sort of energy we are getting. Let's see what else you can expect for the month of March for birth number 1. So the first card that I have for you guys is the Hermit card. See, a lot of you have been spending time alone. You're trying to figure out where life is taking you or how things are going to move forward. So you're spending a lot of time alone to figure out exactly what you want. Like, you it might not be for real, it might all be in your head, but you are undergoing this distance from people. You're feeling this loneliness within yourself, where you are unable to figure out what exactly you want. See, followed by the Four of Cups. Four of Cups is again a card of disappointment. It's like you had a checklist, you had a number of things that you wanted from life, maybe from this person, maybe from that career, but you're not hitting all the you're not, yeah, it's just not clicking at the moment. So something is not working as it's supposed to work, and that's leaving you disappointed. And that's why you're thinking so much. So both these cards depict a lot of thinking is going on. It's not like you are taking any physical action about it, you're just thinking. So it could also mean that March is going to be pretty stressful on the emotional level for you so far. And then you have the Knight of Swords. See, Knight of Swords tells comes up when usually you want to take action, and you want to take action very quickly without really thinking about the situation. Let's Oh my god, see, guys, I think you want to take action towards someone for something, but you are unable to take that action moving forward, and you are left confused. You don't know exactly what to do. See, those are too many swords. There are too many sword cards. A lot of you could be building castles in the air. Maybe you have unrealistic expectations in terms of whatever it is that is going on, especially in terms of your relationships. I feel like you are feeling sad, you're feeling lonely, and you don't know how to figure this thing out. And because you're unable to figure out exactly which direction your relationship needs to move into, you are kind of, isolating yourself, and you are feeling like, that you're stuck in this kind of wheel like a little hamster, and you're unable to figure out. And with, the swords card, the swords, it's the air energy. Air energy, it's all about, thinking. That's a lot of thinking going on. But also with the thinking, I feel like, some of you really need to communicate. A lot of you, the energy I'm picking up, it's telling me that a lot of you are in a no, you're sort of in a separation sort of, energy. It's like, no communication zone sort of thing. So that is very prominent for you guys. See, you have the Six of Wheels, which tells that, you are going to get the help that you deserve. Somebody is going to help you. But the thing is, right now, the time for you is just to think. Do not take action. Despite these cards coming up, you are going to have an option. For a lot of you, especially singles, I think you want to get married, like you want to find your soulmate, twin flame, karmic connection, whatever you call it. You want to find your someone, but you've tried it a couple of times, and each time it has left you disappointed. So moving forward, you're kind of like, you rush into things pretty quickly, but at the same time, two of swords showing up here tells about that, you have to evaluate your options very well. And air energy is the energy of, being intellectual, being analytical, actually thinking with just your brain. So what you do need to realize is that, you need to put a little bit of love, and emotions need to be here to understand the situation better. But at the same time, you also have to think realistically with the Six of Wheels showing up. Six of Wheels is, number six is the number of Venus. It represents Venus. Venus is all about communication. Venus is about harmony. Venus is about love. And Six of Pentacles, which is, about love, about emotions, about connectivity for the long term. So when you think of a relationship, especially in the month of March, think about it from a long term perspective rather than a short term perspective, because that is exactly what is going to help you move forward. That's it for this time. Let me know if it resonates, and I'll happy to answer any questions if you do have. Yeah, see you guys next month.